Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic many of you might intimately understand: the frustrating signs that your metabolism could be damaged. I'm going to uncover what your body is trying to tell you, and more importantly, what you can do about it. This isn't just about weight or weight loss, it's about everything: energy, mood, overall well being, and health. So let's get started on understanding these crucial signals. If you've ever felt like your metabolism is broken, you're not alone. Many women are told to simply eat less and move more, but that advice misses the real issue. What if the problem isn't your willpower, but something deeper, like metabolic damage? Your body sends clear warning signs, but most of us are too busy or we just miss them completely. Today, we're going to change that. That helping you understand these signals and what they truly mean for your health and body. So I'm going to explore why these feelings are valid and what's really going on inside. Building on that, it's crucial to understand that your metabolism or you aren't lazy. It's actually protecting you. This slowdown is called metabolic adaptation, your body's survival response to chronic dieting, stress, or undereating. When your metabolism slows, it's not broken, it's defending itself. This leads to things that we don't like: increased fat storage, decreased energy, hormonal chaos, and more, making weight loss pretty much impossible. This is a physiological problem, not a character or psychological problem. And recognizing this is the first step towards real lasting change. So, how do you know if this is happening to you? So, let's look at some key indicators. So there are 5 key signs that your metabolism has slowed down. These are the warning signals your body sends when it's under metabolic stress. We'll cover easy weight gain, quick plateaus, constant fatigue, uncontrollable cravings, and feeling cold often. If you recognize these or more of the signs in yourself, this is a strong indicator that your metabolism needs some serious attention. So I'm going to break down each of these signs in detail, starting with the first one. The first sign is gaining weight easily, even when you're careful with your eating. You might feel like the scale jumps after a normal meal or even a small indulgence, as if your body is storing everything. This happens because a slowed metabolism lowers your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn fewer calories at rest. Your body becomes hyper efficient at storing fat as a survival mechanism. Diets often makes this worse by signaling more danger, leading to adaptive thermogenesis, which is a vicious cycle. The solution isn't less food, but eating more strategically, using caloric cycling and adequate protein to signal safety to your body. Next, we'll discuss why weight loss plateaus happen so quickly. So if you started a new diet and seen some initial success, and then you hit a wall where the scale just won't budge, this is sign number 2: weight loss plateaus fast. You might lose a few pounds quickly, but then your body adapts and progress grinds to a halt. This happens because your body reduces its non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or otherwise known as NEAT. You unconsciously move less, fidget less, and burn fewer calories throughout the day without even realizing it. Prolonged calorie restriction also triggers leptin resistance, meaning your hunger hormone stops signaling fullness effectively. Your body is literally fighting back against the deficit. The good news is strategic diet breaks and refeed days can reset these hormone levels and kickstart fat loss again. This isn't cheating. It's a science-backed strategy to work with your body, not against it. And speaking of your body fighting back, let's talk about how this impacts your energy levels. If you're constantly tired, even after a full night's sleep, that's sign number 3. You're always exhausted. You wake up feeling drained, hit that afternoon slump, and coffee barely touches it. This isn't just about needing more sleep. It's a metabolic issue. Your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells, are underperforming. Chronic dieting often leads to low thyroid function, specifically reduced T3, the active form, which directly cuts cellular energy production. So your body is literally producing less fuel. Very low calorie diets makes this worse by suppressing thyroid output even further. To fix this, we need thyroid supportive nutrition, including adequate carbohydrates, selenium, zinc, and iodine, combined with proper sleep and stress management. When your body is low in energy, it also starts sending out other signals like intense cravings. So this brings us to sign number 4: cravings that feel uncontrollable. If you constantly think about sugar, bread, or chips and feel out of control around food, You're not alone. This is not a lack of willpower, it's neurochemistry. Restriction raises ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and lowers serotonin and dopamine. Your brain, in survival mode, craves quick energy from sugar. Uh, the more you restrict it, the higher ghrelin rises, and your hormones will always win over willpower in the long run. The solution lies in hormone rebalancing through structured and strategic eating. Regular meals, adequate fat and protein, and strategic carbohydrate timing can stabilize ghrelin and break that binge restrict cycle. And when your body is trying to conserve energy, it impacts more than just your cravings. Sign number 5, feeling cold often, even when others are comfortable. When you have cold hands and feet, you're always reaching for a blanket. Your body is telling you something. Body heat is a direct byproduct of metabolic activity. So a slowed metabolism produces less heat. Low thyroid function, which is common with chronic dieting, directly reduces your core body temperature. Your body is essentially conserving energy. Caloric restriction also reduces the activity of brown adipose tissue, or BAT, which is the fat that generates heat. So the longer you diet, the colder you tend to run. The fix involves metabolic repair protocols that restore thyroid function and increase thermogenic activity through specific foods, movement patterns, and nutrient timing. So if you recognize 3 or more of these signs, it's time to understand the big, real problem. So I want you to understand something crucial. This isn't a willpower problem. It's metabolic adaptation. You're not failing your diet is failing your metabolism. Chronic restriction, yo-yo dieting, and undereating have trained your body to burn fewer calories at rest, store fat more efficiently, and fight weight loss at every single turn. Your body is simply trying to protect you. The solution isn't another diet that will further damage your metabolism. The solution is metabolic repair, a process that rebuilds your body's natural ability to burn fat and create energy. So what does this metabolic repair actually look like? So if your diet is failing your metabolism, what does fixing it look like? It's not about another restrictive diet. It's about a structured system. We're talking about a 5-phase process that systematically rebuilds your metabolic function. You start by assessing your unique metabolic state and then strategically restore your calorie intake. This signals safety to your body, which is crucial for healing. From there, we rebalance your key hormones like leptin, ghrelin, and thyroid, and then rebuild lean muscle mass to permanently boost your resting metabolic rate. Finally, we focus on sustaining these changes so you can maintain fat loss without triggering that metabolic adaptation again. This isn't a quick fix. This is a complete rebuild, reset designed to work with your body, not against it. And that's exactly why I've built this program. This systematic approach is exactly what the 8-week metabolism makeover delivers. This isn't just another diet plan that you've tried before. It's a structured metabolic repair program specifically for women whose metabolism has adapted and needs rebuilding. Inside, you'll find a step-by-step protocol to restore your metabolic rate and a hormone balancing nutrition framework. I'm going to give you strategies to break these frustrating plateaus without cutting more calories. This program is a complete reset, not another restriction plan. It's a system your metabolism has truly been waiting for. So if you've been stuck, tired, and frustrated with diets that just stop working, now you understand why. And more importantly, you now know how to fix it. This isn't about willpower again. It's about metabolic repair. You can start your 8-week metabolism makeover today. Just visit the link in the description or the first comment to read some more of the testimonials, read more about the program. This is your chance to finally get off that diet roller coaster. So quickly recap before I end the video. These 5 crucial signs that your metabolism might be damaged. First, easy weight gain, even when you're careful, points to a lowered metabolic rate. Second, plateaus mean your body is reducing non-exercise activity and developing leptin resistance. Third, constant fatigue often signals thyroid suppression and underperforming mitochondria. Fourth, uncontrollable cravings are a clear sign of ghrelin elevation and neurochemical imbalance. And finally, always feeling cold indicates reduced thermogenesis and low thyroid output. Remember, the fix isn't another diet, it's metabolic repair. You can find the details in the link in the description or the first comment. I appreciate you watching, even if you don't join the program. Follow my videos. I give out a lot of this information for free. Thanks again, and I'll see you for the next video.